Lie down. Spot. Come here. Right here. Down. Well, hello guys, and welcome back to the Great Dane channel. A little different setup today, so you can see the dogs laying. We're here in the studio. Got some great footage for you coming up, and we're going to take a look. We got a major little renovation going on at the house, so we're planning for that. We're dealing with the demo going on right now. Master bathroom, master closet, as well as the kitchen. We've got some nice footage of the dogs chilling out, and we're going to show you the artists of the Great Dane song, the channel theme song. So lots to take a look at. I hope you enjoy it. Check it out.
Don't want a goofy poodle with a pedigree. No, I'm a wimpy little pooch, don't you see? A great big dog's the only one for me. Then I'll be doing alright. Well, I got him back when he was just a pup. Way back then I could pick him up. Now he barely fits into my pickup truck. Yeah,
that's what fits up.
Doing alright.
Magic's got swim.
And it's a great Dane, stand 6 foot bottles, 5 hours. It's a Great Dane in the neighborhood. Why can it all be just this good? Sometimes it's low.
What's with all the barking? Stop it. No howling. Chilling here on Labor Day weekend in Ohio, and we've got Magic, my 5.5-year-old Brindle Great Dane, sitting down here, and I've got the 2 kittens here, and I'm just gonna let them wander around the room. I figured Magic's my best bet for just chilling out and not doing anything, right, buddy? Yeah. So we'll see how this goes. It's okay. Come up here. Here, kittens. Quiet. No. You're fine. Good kitty. Hi. Hi, kittens. Here, kitty, kitty. Here. Willow. We got Willow and Hemingway. Hi, kitties. Hi, kitties. Good kitty. Hi. Hi. How are you? How are you? No. Good kitty. Magic, no. Stay there. It's okay. Hi, kitty. Look, I pet him and I pet you. If you don't want to be, then you just, that's good.
Bit of drama last night in Toronto and Colorado. Plus tension with High yesterday on his boat. Oh gosh, last 48 hours has been hell. Well, actually, the first day of charter, the way service went down, it was amazing. You don't miss much without pouring it.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay, Hemingway. It's all right. It's okay.
I want them to stay on point. That's what's gonna happen. Never take your eye off the table, ever.
It's okay, it's okay.
I see that.
It's okay. Good kitty. Good kitty. Oh, that's a good kitty. It's okay. Good kitty. Good kitty. He's not gonna hurt you. He's not gonna hurt you. Good boy. You're a good boy, Magic. You're a good boy, Hemingway. Oh yeah, it's okay. Come on. Oh, another kitty. Hi. What, just kittens everywhere? Good kitty. Magic just wants to have a sniff. Don't you? How's that smell? I think it's going really well. You know, he's not aggressive towards them at all. Just curious. What are these little kittens? It's okay. Lie down. Lie down. You're okay. You want to sniff a Magic? Come on. Come here. Come here. Come here. Sniff the kitty. Say hi to the kitty. Say hi to the kitty. It's a nice kitty. Say hi to the kitty. Magic.
So impressed with Jamie. She made me quiet sometimes, but it's really working.
Look at him.
And I'm noticing.
We're gonna get into our swimwear, and I guess we'll be back here.
Okay. More jet skis are gone? No, we're bringing them.
What's the matter, Magic? You don't want to go potty? You got to go outside. Come on, go potty. Yeah, it's 8:45 in the morning. Just got up, fed the dogs, and you know, Magic's really not interested in going outside in this stuff. How long can you hold it, buddy? Just go real quickly and go potty. Come on. He hates it. He hates it. Go on. Come on. Go outside. Well, it's the end of the day. The dogs are just laying here. It's 7 o'clock. I'm working. But as soon as I clicked off my ring light and get ready to close down my computer, these guys are done. Watch when I get up. He's watching me. I guess we're going upstairs. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, let's go upstairs. Go on. Hey, that's going to do it. I really appreciate you watching. If you like what you're seeing, subscribe and hit that notification bell. We upload on weekends and Wednesdays. Oh, you guys are the best. Yeah. You doing okay? Huh? You good boys? Oh. And have a great day.
Dane in the neighborhood. Why can't every dog be just as good?